Ang lahat ng mga nagtatanong sa akin.
MGI, International, All-Star.
About yan. Sabi ko, kapag meron na kayong 10 milyon pang-finance, doon, tanongin niyo ako ulit.
Dapat mag ano?
Like, ngayon, parang ini-enjoy ko pa yung fruit
Work,
of everything that we worked hard
Miss
for, diba?
International.
Kasi, after I won Binibining Pilipinas, dire-diretso tayo eh. Prepare, then nag-compete tayo. So ngayon, ina-enjoy ko muna yung reign as fourth runner of Miss International.
So, ano yung mga activities mo bila?
Actually like this, modeling, hosting. If you saw last time, nasa bench din ako. So I'm so happy kasi I already signed a contract with bench. So, woo, dream come true. So I'm praying for more blessings of course. And I'm happy. I'm happy ko na sa situation ko ngayon. And about joining another pageant soon, siguro wala pa. It's medyo natagalan pa, if I'm being honest. And di ko nga sure kung if I'm gonna join again. Although, I'm thinking about it. Pero kapag binabalikan ko yung naging process ko, when I competed in Binibini and then in Miss International, parang, kaya na ba ulit? Diba?
Pahinga muna.
Oo. So, it's better to recharge
And
be refreshed. So, maging cool muna tayo with IMO.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ma.